Oh, it's me again, your friendly neighborhood cybercriminal. Today, we're diving into attack surfaces, my personal playgrounds. Let's talk about the areas I love to exploit, both physical and digital. Physical attack surfaces are tangible assets like computers, printed passwords, and even employee badges. Insiders can exploit these for their gain. It's not really my thing, but it's still a major threat. Now, digital attack surfaces, this is where I shine. From email systems to unsecured Wi-Fi networks and cloud environments, these are the gateways I love to exploit. Each digital asset, like your company printer, is an entry point. And for every surface, there are countless ways to attack. The more surfaces, the more risks. It's a challenge to manage it all, but that's why it's a huge security risk. If I were you, I'd reduce the number of attack surfaces. Fewer surfaces mean fewer problems. Do you really need 2 email addresses, 2 work phones? Simplify and secure to keep me out. Regular updates, strong passwords, and proper configuration can close the doors I love to sneak through. But remember, I never told you this, right? Now that you understand attack surfaces, it's time to take action. Secure your physical and digital spaces, and prepare for the unexpected. If a breach happens, you'll be ready to respond and recover. Need help? Reach out to our cybersecurity experts today.
Visit Securafy.com for a free cybersecurity assessment or access our library of resources to strengthen your defenses. Stay online and secure anytime, anywhere, on any device.